Hey mushroom lovers, check out this mushroom hunting kit I have here. Here's everything that came in the box. It's got this nice bag here, and it has a little pouch in the side too, so you can keep your booklet and your tools, anything that you need. You could put your phone in there, your keys, things like that. Keep it secure. And I guess these bags have holes in it, so after you put your mushrooms in there, it'll spread the spores too out in the forest. So it's got a nice adjustable strap here that's permanently attached. Nice, tons of room in here to put your mushrooms, but it's not too heavy duty where it's gonna squish them. Then it also has a book here, like a calendar, so you can put, you can put what species you found and where and the time, day of the year it is. And we can kind of start tracking that stuff. Maybe some secret mushroom locations, or just to log your mushroom locations so you can go back to that same area next year. It also has a, oh look at that, a mushroom hunting knife and brush. So look at that. That there, got a little key ring. You can put it on there too. So this is perfect for cutting it at the base, cutting it right down there. You get your mushroom and cut it. They say you're not supposed to pull them. It's best to cut them so they regenerate. Got the brush here, so maybe you can get the dirt and pine needles and stuff out of the gills of your chanterelles if you're doing that. Nice wood handle to it. And then it comes with some identification here, some identification cards. Really cool. I won't spend a whole bunch of time on here, but it's got all kinds of mushroom identification tags on there telling you what's edible. Oh yeah, these are nice too. Morels. And then this shows you too which ones are not edible. It says inedible. Really cool. Truffles. Haven't seen one of those, but I'd sure like to find one. That's pretty cool. And then these ones here, so really an all-inclusive kit. Some great cards here to bring with you so you can kind of compare it to what you're finding. So overall, really happy with this kit, and I'm going to use it a lot. Thank you for watching, everybody.